as you can see now. So the only option that we are going to see now is who block you, as you can see now, blockers. So under this blockers, now I have 11 people that block me on my Instagram account, as you can see now. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to see who block you on Instagram. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. First of all, go to your Instagram. So after you open up your Instagram, all you have to do, in order for you to see who blocked you on Instagram, now tap on your profile. After you open your profile, tap on this menu at the top right side. Under this menu, as you can see now, scroll all the way to down, as you can see now. Under this, who can see your content, as you can see now. Now the only option that Instagram gives you is privacy, close friend, block, and hide story, as you can see now. You can only now view the people that you block, but you can't see how many people block you on Instagram. So in this video, I will show you the possible method, the two possible methods to see who block you on Instagram. So the first method is, as you can see now, close this section, go back. So the first method is to know who blocked you on Instagram is, for example, if you were like viewing someone Instagram story and you are viewing someone profile before, and now suddenly you can't be able now to find the Instagram of the person profile, or you can't just be able now to see the person on your Instagram. That's it. So now means you block that person on your Instagram account totally. So how it works, for example, if you tap this on this search bar, for example, let's say Cristiano Ronaldo. So for example, if this person now blocked me on Instagram, I can't be able to see his name. I can't be able to see everything about his account. Means he blocked me. So whoever blocked you, you can't be able, even if you search his name on the search bar, you can't be able to see his name on this search. You can't be able to see everything about his name. That means that person has blocked you. So if you want to just ensure that the person block you, just find someone Instagram account and search for the person on that Instagram account or on that Instagram account. And if you see the person profile and his post, that means that person has blocked you from seeing his all Instagram activities. So that's the first method. So the second method is, after you close your phone, now you can go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store and install this app. You can use this third-party application, this app called, as you can see here is the app, it's called Profile Analytics. As you can see, here is the app now. As you can see, here is the app. Here is the app now. Let's go to my Play Store and show you the name of the app so that you can install it by yourself. So this app will help you to see who blocked you. Analytics. Let's say Profile. Here is the name of the app. Profile Analyzer. Here is the name of the app. So as you can see, here is the app now. Now all you have to do now, come and install this app on your Play Store. As you can see now, if you scroll to down, as you can see now, the app is getting almost 4.8 review. Means that people are just enjoying this app by its activity, as you can see now. So all you have to do now, go and install this app. I already installed my own. I'll just go and show you how it works. So now I'll go ahead and open the app now. So now after you open your app for the first time, it will ask you now to type in your login information for your Instagram. So if you scroll to down, as you can see now, it will give you different options about your Instagram. As you can see now, it gives you how many people block you, who unfollow you, and how many mutual friends you have, and how many people pan you. As you can see, you can only view this option on this app, as you can see now. So as you can see now, in order to see who unfollow you on Instagram or who block you on Instagram, here is the option now. As you can see now, I have 11. Now it says, so after you open this app, as you can see now, the app, you must just log in for the first time. If you open the app, you must log in into your Instagram using this app. So after you type in your login information for your Instagram, it will give you access to see everything about your Instagram. As you can see now, in this session now, you can be able now to see who block you, you can see who unfollow you, and you can see your mutual friend and so on. Now this app gives you how many people block you. So if you want to see the list of the people that block you, all you have to do now, go and tap on this session now. It will show you their profile and it will show you everything about their Instagram account. So sometimes all these activities, they may ask you to pay something before you can be able to see. So now just go ahead and install the app and check it by yourself. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below.